From the moment we open our eyes, we are bathed in light and color. Our sense of sight is perhaps our most precious gift. It allows us to perceive the beauty of our world, from the vast expanse of the night sky to the intricate details of a flower. But how does this miracle of sight actually work? How does light become the images we see? The human eye is an incredibly complex organ, a marvel of biological engineering. It captures light and transforms it into electrical signals that our brain can understand. This process, though seemingly instantaneous, involves a fascinating chain of events. Think of the eye as a camera, capturing the world around us. Light, the essential ingredient for vision, enters the eye first. This light carries information about our surroundings, encoded in its waves. Just as a camera lens focuses light onto film, the eye uses its own components to focus and process this light, ultimately revealing the world to it. The journey of light into the eye begins with the cornea, the clear outer layer. The cornea acts like a window, allowing light to pass through and bending it slightly. Next, light encounters the pupil, the dark circle in the center of the eye. The pupil acts like the aperture of a camera, controlling how much light enters the eye. In bright conditions, the pupil constricts, letting in less light. In dim conditions, it widens, allowing more light to enter. This dynamic adjustment ensures that the eye receives the optimal amount of light for clear vision. After passing through the pupil, light reaches the lens, a transparent structure that sits behind the iris. The lens further bends the incoming light, focusing it onto the retina. The retina is a layer of light-sensitive cells lining the back of the eye. It is the eye's equivalent to photographic film. Within the retina, there are two types of photoreceptor cells, rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low-light conditions, allowing us to see shapes and movement. Cones, on the other hand, function in brighter light and are responsible for our ability to see color and fine detail. When light strikes these photoreceptor cells, a chemical reaction occurs. This reaction triggers a cascade of events, converting light energy into electrical signals. These electrical signals are the language of the brain. The optic nerve, a bundle of nerve fibers, acts as the messenger between the eye and the brain. It carries the electrical signals generated by the retina to the visual cortex at the back of the brain. The brain is the ultimate interpreter of visual information. It receives the electrical signals from the optic nerve and decodes them, piecing together the puzzle of the visual world. Amazingly, our brains receive two slightly different images, one from each eye. This binocular vision is what gives us depth perception, allowing us to perceive the world in 3 dimensions. Within the brain, specific areas are dedicated to processing different aspects of vision, such as color, shape, motion, and depth. The brain integrates all of this information instantaneously, creating a seamless and comprehensive visual experience. The process of human vision, from the moment light enters the eye to the brain's interpretation, is a testament to the elegance and complexity of biological evolution. It is a process we often take for granted, yet one that underpins our understanding and appreciation of the world around us.